Hi guys, we markoinsights are at Mumbai International Airport Terminal 2 and today we are going to discuss about airport marketing. The function by which airports interact with their target groups and understand their needs to stimulate and accelerate their growth, resulting in more aviation and non-aviation revenues. So what makes Terminal 2 the place for airport marketing? Yes, it starts with airport interiors which are totally awesome and streamlined. In a research conducted by Gensler a few years ago, the need to de stress the travel experience and the importance of non traditional design features were highlighted. It is one of the most important reasons why local elements like local art and craft and history have become integral to modern airport designs. Mumbai Airport's art project is the largest art project in the world, consisting of 6,000 artworks. The airport interior creates a soothing environment, reduces stress levels, and thus enhances passenger experience. Maybe it is the reason why more and more footfall is there. Inaugurated on 10th January 2014, the terminal has about 7 lakh square feet area, the size of over 10 soccer fields dedicated to retail, food and beverage, lounge and travel services. The CAPA estimated that the duty-free spend at Indian airports will reach around $1.6 billion by 2021, a huge amount of revenue to be targeted. At T2, travelers headed to the retail and the F&B areas are greeted by an imposing network of 250 plus digital screens, the largest at any Indian airport. Sponsored areas at Mumbai Airport provides advertisers a unique opportunity to immerse customers in a 360-degree brand experience. The departing travelers can be targeted well with a network of 203 screens and 9 video walls. Other options for reaching out to the customers are mobile charging stations, digital screens in the waiting area, experiential zones, baby care and other such rooms. This one is the coolest Wi-Fi packages. You reach your customers directly on their phone screens. FIDS, Flight Information Display Screens. Every year, it handles 48 million passengers and a 9 lakh metric tons of air cargo, serving more than 50 airlines and connecting passengers to more than 100 destinations worldwide. The quality of the footfall makes it compelling call for any media and brand professional. The fair mix of Indian and international travelers are essentially of an elite, educated, NCC A1 profile. Their shopping habits lean heavily towards premium and luxury brand. So if you are one of them, you don't want to miss the chance. This is how airports attract various brands to use airport marketing to attract us and communicate with us in the second busiest airport of our country. Hope you enjoyed our video. Do like, share and subscribe and happy flying!